Despite how dangerous they are, they're responsible for the fewest deaths each year than any animal on our list. In fact, more people die of lightning strikes in the United States than from alligator attacks. That's likely because people know the dangers of alligators and they stay away. Unlike most animals, alligators never stop growing. Males can grow to be between 8 and 10 feet long, but they can reach 15 feet. They often use sticks to lure birds who are looking for material to build nests. They'll also eat fish, mammals, other animals, and sometimes even fruit. Wolves. Wolves have a reputation of being very dangerous, and they travel in packs. They almost became extinct in the United States at one time because they were hunted and killed to prevent them from hurting humans and killing livestock. Today there are only a few human wolf attack deaths each year, some due to rabies. Sharks. If you've ever seen a shark movie like maybe Jaws, you know sharks can be deadly. Between 6 and 10 people die from a shark attack each year. Another 150 are injured. Most of the shark attacks are unprovoked. More people kill sharks than sharks kill people. Many people kill sharks for their fins, which are used to make fin soup. They are also killed accidentally by fishermen. The deadliest sharks are, of course, the great white, along with the tiger shark and the bull shark. Bears. Bears are very aggressive animals, despite the fact that we love sweet, cuddly teddy bears. Each year about 12 people die after being mauled by a bear. Of all of the deadly bears, the sloth bear is the most aggressive. With a name like sloth bear, you wouldn't think it'd move very fast, but they often have to fight off tigers who prey upon them, so they're pretty fierce. Most bear attacks occur when humans happen to come across them accidentally. If a mother bear is with her cubs, she'll be even more aggressive. Spiders. Many people are terrified of all spiders, even though only a few are deadly. Many of the most lethal spiders live in Australia, and about 7 people in the United States die every year from bites of a black widow spider or a brown recluse. Antivenom has been invented for the funnel web and redback spiders, so people are no longer dying from those bites. Most spiders aren't poisonous enough to kill a person, but they do end up being hospitalized. The most dangerous spider is the Brazilian wandering spider. It has the most lethal venom of any spider on Earth. Ants. Ants are generally just a nuisance, but there are some that can kill. Each year, about 30 people are killed by ants worldwide. Fire ants are very aggressive and they kill people through their stingers, which cause an allergic reaction. Each year, about 9 people are killed by ants in the United States. Driver ants can eat a person if they remain still. The bulldog ant is the most dangerous ant in the world because it is aggressive and venomous. Also, they can bite a person several times, with each bite injecting venom. Cows. Now, when you think of a scary animal, the last thing on your list is probably going to be a cow. There are a few ways that cows have killed people, though. A few people died after a cow jumped off of a cliff and landed on them. When cows get in fights with dogs and the owner steps in, that also can turn deadly. Also, when cows panic, they become violent. Believe it or not, about 20 Americans are killed each year by a cow, and the worldwide number is even higher. Horses. Horses are magnificent animals, but they're also dangerous. Horses kill 20 people a year in the U.S., and in Australia, horses kill more people than those venomous snakes and spiders do. Most of the deaths occur when a person falls off of a horse. In some cases, though, horses will attack, but that's not very common. Lions. Lions kill between 70 and 100 people each year, and they often eat their prey. They have a taste for human flesh, and they actively hunt us. A lion can kill a human with just one bite. The deadliest cat on the planet is the wild black-footed cat. This cat's smaller than most pet cats. They don't kill humans. They focus on rodents and birds. They have a 60% success rate, too. Tigers. Tigers are incredibly dangerous. Each year, about 100 people die from tiger attacks. Since their habitat has decreased in size over the years, they've become more aggressive and more dangerous. Unlike lions, tigers don't actively hunt humans. Most of the deaths occur when a human accidentally comes upon a tiger who is trying to protect their territory. box jellyfish. Jellyfish sting, and that can be excruciatingly painful. The box jellyfish also stings, but its sting is deadly. About 100 people die every year from box jellyfish stings, and each one has enough venom to kill 60 people. They have 24 eyes, so they see well, and they inject a toxin into your bloodstream that can cause your heart to stop. Some people go into shock and drown because the pain is so intense. The most deadly box jellyfish are found in Australia, Florida, and Hawaii. Bees, wasps, and hornets. Every year, these insects kill 58 people in the United States and about 100 people worldwide. Some people die after being stung multiple times, others die from allergic reactions to the stings. The deadliest of all these insects is the Asian giant hornet. It's 5 times larger than a honeybee, and its venom can kill 40 honeybees in 1 minute. If you're stung by this hornet, its poison will destroy your red blood cells, resulting in kidney failure and death. The Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo has earned the nickname the Black Death and the Widowmaker, and it's done so for a reason. They are often found in Africa, and they're very dangerous to the hunters there. When they're injured, they'll run off, circle around, and then attack the hunter who shot them. This buffalo kills about 200 people every year. The Cape buffalo doesn't only kill humans, they also attack lions, believe it or not. If you see this animal, don't touch it. Leopards. There are no actual numbers regarding deaths by leopards, but it's believed to be in the hundreds. Most of the deaths occur in India, and the leopard is known as a man-eater. Most deaths occur when a person accidentally happens upon a leopard. Deer. Bambi is on our list? Well, obviously deer are not aggressive, but they do kill about 240 people each year. How? Well, deer have a habit of crossing the street in front of cars, and that can result in a deadly accident. When they cause these deaths, they are also the victims as well, though. Kudu. Drivers in Africa are killed by the kudu antelope the same way that deer kill American drivers. According to the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, more people in Namibia are killed by kudu than by crocodiles. They're often killed while hunting in human-populated areas. Elephants. Each year, about 500 people are killed by elephants. This number continues to increase as their habit has been shrinking, forcing them to be around humans more often. Some experts believe that elephants attacked due to a form of PTSD after watching a human kill their family. Hippopotamuses. Is that right, or is it hippopotami? Whatever, anyway, hippos, there we go. They're huge. They can grow to be up to 6,000 pounds. They're also very territorial and they pose a threat to humans. Hippos are responsible for about 500 deaths each year. If a mother hippo believes that her calf is in danger, she'll become exceptionally aggressive. Hippos can kill in several ways, too. They pull people into lakes, drowning them. They can trample people. They can tip their boats over. They'll even bite people's heads off. Since they're losing their habitat to humans, the two are living very close together, and that's made them even more dangerous. Tapeworms. Tapeworms are nasty creatures, and they kill about 700 people every year. They carry a deadly disease called cysticercosis, which is spread through human poop. The eggs are ingested and the worms set up camp in your small intestine. There's a treatment for the disease, but the parasite needs to be removed first. Crocodiles. Not to be confused with alligators, which we had earlier in our list, it's estimated that crocodiles kill 1,000 people every year. This number may not be accurate because if a person's alone and killed by a crocodile, the animal never leaves any evidence. They're very dangerous because they live near humans and they can sneak up and grab us very quickly. Most of the crocodile deaths occur in Africa. Scorpions. There are about 2,000 species of scorpions, and only 25 of those are deadly. They have deadly venom, and each year they kill about 3,250 people. Most of the deaths are caused by the Brazilian yellow scorpion. It lives in South America and stings about 1,000 people each year. The anti-venom for the sting is not always effective either because some people have a severe allergic reaction to the sting. The deathstalker scorpion is another of the deadliest. Ascaris roundworms. These nasty little worms are responsible for 4,500 deaths each year. They carry a disease called ascariasis, and they live in warm, humid climates. They live in the small intestine, and they spread their eggs through human poop. The poop can contaminate water, dirt, or get into the food through fertilizer. Tsetse flies. The tsetse fly lives in Africa, and it spreads sleeping sickness. Each year about 5,000 people are killed by the tsetse fly. Sleeping sickness can be cured, but most people in the area where the flies are prominent don't have access to the treatment. Kissing bugs. The kissing bug is also known as the assassin bug, and it causes about 12,000 deaths each year. These bugs spread Chagas disease in Latin America, and the contaminants go in through the skin. It's hard to avoid these bugs because they'll often strike when their victims are sleeping. Dogs. Yeah, dogs are known as man's best friend, but they are still responsible for between 25 and 35,000 people dying each year. It's not dog attacks that kill, though. It's actually the rabies that are contracted when an infected dog bites a person. It's the owner's fault, actually, because it's up to the owner to have their dog vaccinated against rabies. Blood flukes, also known as freshwater snails. Blood flukes are parasitic worms that carry a disease called schistosomiasis. They live in freshwater snails, and they move to humans who swim in contaminated water. They get into the body through the skin and move into your liver, urinary tract, and veins. Schistosomiasis can be cured, but many people in South America and the Middle East don't have access to the treatment. Snakes. You knew this one had to be on the list. Snakes have a reputation for being dangerous because, well, they are. Up to 50,000 people are killed by snakes every year, but some people believe the number might be as high as 200,000. The taipan snake has enough venom to kill 100 people with a single bite. This snake lives in Australia, but the snakes are a bigger problem in India, Africa, Latin America, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and East Asia. Many people die from snake bites, but some are hospitalized after getting the antivenom. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are tiny, but they're responsible for 725,000 deaths each year by spreading diseases including malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, and encephalitis. And thanks to advances in mosquito control, the number of fatalities has reduced over the past 10 years. Still, this is the most dangerous and deadly creature on our list. Except for the last one. Humans. Humans are the most dangerous animal on the planet. Each year, there are 437,000 murders worldwide. If there's a war going on, that number increases by another 135,000 deaths. And it's not just war and murder that causes humans to kill